Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover a hacked Instagram account. If you've enabled notifications from unrecognized logins, Instagram will give you a heads up that someone has logged into your account from an unexpected place. But don't panic over every notification. You may receive one if you're logging in from a different place. Say you're using the Wi-Fi at your vacation rental or have a satellite Wi-Fi connection. And on that note, check on this place where you should never use free Wi-Fi. At the first sign you've been hacked on Instagram, you'll need to work fast. You may be tempted to try the locate Instagram phone number. But since it's entirely automated, you're better off following the plan below instead. If you still have access to your account, change your password immediately, advises Mulder. To recover your hacked Instagram account, first check your email. Of course, before you click a link like this, make sure you know what phishing is and how to spot a phishing email. The last thing you want is to stumble upon a phony email from Instagram and invite malware onto your computer. Second, request a login link. If you have no luck with the first step, ask Instagram to email or text you a login link. If you have an Android phone, tap Get Help Logging In and enter the username, email address, and phone number associated with your account. Select your email address or phone number and tap Send Login Link. Third, ask for a security code. If the login link doesn't do the trick, the next step is to request a security code. Enter the username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. Then, tap on Need More Help. Select your email address or phone number. Then, tap Send Security Code and follow the instructions. And the last, verify your identity. For further help, or if a hacker deleted your account entirely, you'll need to provide some additional info. If your hack account contains photos of you, you'll be asked to take a video selfie to confirm you are who you say you are and that you're a real person. The review process generally takes up to business days. If you pass the review, you'll receive a link to reset your password. Don't worry, the video selfie will never be posted to your Instagram and will be deleted within 30 days. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.